ABNOX WANNER Fettpresse.
There are two ways to fill the one-hand grease pump ABNOX WANNER. Either you use the cartridges or you fill it with the manual filler pump. The advantage of the manual filler pump is the sustainability. For example, you can save 35 cartridges with a 14-kilogram container. To fill the WANNER grease pump, place the filler cap in the filler pipe and start pumping. When the grease pump is sufficiently full, it is removed. The rod is pushed in, it is vented via the air release valve, and is then ready for use. Now for the application. With the connector excellent, it is important to press it straight onto the grease nipple before greasing. The advantage of a flexible tube is that you can grease difficult to reach places. To remove it, you have to decouple it over an angle so that you do not damage the grease nipple. Another advantage of the grease pump ABNOX WANNER is the ergonomic handle and the very comfortable handling. More information and products for similar applications can be found on our website.